Hello, YouTube viewers. Yep. Still have the cold, but I do sound a lot better. Thriller Diller. Who came up with that name? It's kind of like something you'd see on a Scooby-Doo episode. Thriller Diller. I was just playing my Sonic Generations game. You know, the one I played for YouTube. I have to tell you, doing all the missions aren't easy. I mean, today I played it again. I have 43 missions. I went to do... Oh, I'll tell you after this.
Jakes, what's she doing out? Graduation isn't for 6 weeks.
Maybe they're cutting class.
Okay, so anyways, I was playing Sonic Generation, and I come to the... What was it called again? Oh, no, not Robin. Okay, you're probably all going to be asking, why just Beast Boy? Because Beast Boy's awesome. Alright, anyways, back to my story. So, I was playing it, and then... I don't know what... I had to do that thing where it... What's it called? Yeah, Rooftop Run, that mission with Classic Sonic. My gosh, I almost pulled my hair out for all the times I lost to the imposter. Then I was lucky because at the final stretch of the game, the imposter was a long ways behind me, and I was able to finally kick him out. Because I can tell you, I think he lost more than once to that imposter. And I was hoping to get like All Hail Shadow for that. I mean, All Hail Shadow's a great song. It's better than the game it came with, that's for sure. But no, you get out of the win for that. Which I really wish you got All Hail Shadow.
Hey, don't look at me. I should have equipped my costume with a helmet of safety.
Hey, Ron. Wow. Ron's low. It says 60. What the... But... Sorry. Might just be me. Sorry again. It's probably made my eyes bad, but... be able to see it. I think. I don't even think that's a difference. Oh, yeah. If I make my eyes bad for no reason at all, I'm still in this game. Because, or at least getting a new camera. Now, there will be parts of the game where you do have to switch to other characters, but that's only during the boss fights. So I can enjoy beating the crap out of people with Beast Boy. Oh my gosh. No. No. Okay. Now to open the gates, you need to defeat all the enemies that's given to you. Okay, so the first time I played this game, I was like, how do I do this? How do I do this? So basically, I was just playing as Beast Boy, defending the electric gates, and hoping for the best. So, don't get too close. Raven, get out. Get out of the freaking way, Raven. It's Beast Boy's time to shine. Beast Boy's gonna kill all you. Okay. Slide. You dead? No, he's not. That was it. Okay, so now we're introduced to Red Hide soldiers, which are a little bit harder to take down. And oh my gosh, it's almost here, it's almost here, it's almost here. Oh my gosh, who's knocking down Beast? Oh my gosh, I just noticed this. Come on, Beast Boy. Get out of my way, you idiots. This will be heavy. Titanic attack! That should lower their health by some. Raven, get out of my way! Beast Boy. Oh, right. I forgot to mention, you actually do have a life system in this game. As you can see, by Beast Boy's chibi face. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Chibi face, there is 5 life next to it. And, well, I'll explain it after the cutscene. May have to do 2 parts today, actually. So, when you see Beast Boy, it's 5 lives. That means he only has 5 lives left, obviously. But 5 times is the number of lives. Also, I am going to be showing off whatever I got under my Christmas tree this year. Because I know what I got, and it's pretty awesome, so I'm going to show it off. Now, if I die, I'm going to write the Cyborg, because he's my second favorite character next to Beast Boy. Wait, huh? Oh wait, full health. I'm not going to Cyborg anytime soon. Maybe in the next part. Yeah, in the next part, I will be showing off Cyborg. Because I really don't want to be showing only one character. But Beast Boy is just awesome. In my opinion. I don't know who's your favorite. Maybe it's Starfire or Raven. The graphics are really glaring in the dark. I just noticed. Oh. Come on, guys. Where the heck is Raven? Raven. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Yeah, Raven, what the heck? Oh! Thank you! She's back! Yeah, that's one of the game's many flaws. It glitches up on you. Which really sucks. Especially if it's a boss fight, it really sucks. It really sucks if one of your characters, like, falls off the stage, and it's necessary, like, for a boss fight. That's just gonna suck. Now, maybe you're wondering, what's my name again? Oh, Baku Blade. Dude, why the heck are you not running around? That's because this game won't allow me to. I was about to say Jaku Blade for a minute. Oh, Jaku Blade. Yeah, this will be 2 parts. If I don't finish it under my time limit. I'm just staying. Wait a minute, what? Beast Boy, come on, man. You're stupid as that. Why the heck does my special keep going off? Oh, I remember this now. Maybe I'll probably showing Cyborg off right now. After, yeah, maybe. What's that? Oh god, you gotta be... Assassin! This is annoying.
Jinx, where think we're born under a bad billboard?
What? Did she say, Jinx, I think you were born under a bad billboard? And the Red Hive soldiers actually defend. Everything hurts in this game. Speed on him while he's down. What the heck? Just hit me. Marijuana's allowed to one left. No, there's one more. Oh no. Isn't that nice? At least I got a checkpoint. That's nice.
Beware the balls of deconstruction! Barrels? Just wasn't building here yet.
Ouch. Doesn't really hurt you.
Bad news. More of them are coming at us.
Good news. They just gave us access to the
Oh, it's Jinx. Let's shoot her down. Nice. Look who's talking. Yeah, we all hate you. These Hive soldiers are annoying. I don't even know why we fight her. She keeps running away. That's right, Beast Boy. Let's do it again. Out of my way! This is one of the game's problems. Your teammates will block you. Oh, yeah. Right, 2 seconds. I'm glad I'm not playing Dragon Ball Z right now. Because one of my, my R2 button is jammed. And you know how, like, in Dragon Ball Z Budokai, Tenkaichi 3, everything ties in with them button controls.
You're not really expecting an answer, are you?
Yeah, Beast Boy's middle. Okay, destroy the generators. Simple as that, but they only go down one blow, so, and Jinx reappears for the last time. Well, in this level at least. But, see you guys next time.